What's up, guys? Today we're back with another video. I'm just here to say I'd appreciate some fan mail, and in my Crazy Mail Friday video, it said where you send it, so check in the description to there. And soon I'm going to be doing a special unboxing. In the comments, I'm gonna write what it is, but first you guys have to guess what it is. So please guess today. See ya, bye.